Stop and imagine that you are in Las Vegas. Woo, Las Vegas, Sin City. And for absolutely free, you have unlimited pulls on the slot machines. You know the slot machines, you put a quarter in or $1 in or whatever you put, and you pull the slot machine. Imagine now that you were able to pull that handle every single time for free. And if you win, you keep the winnings. Ooh. Now, let me ask you a question. How many times would you pull that handle? And what does this have to do with your beauty business? That's what we're going to talk about today, is free handle pulls, your beauty business, social media, and making money. That's Costco. That's what I got. What I got. If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Wick. Shut up. Okay, cool. So that scenario does not sound bad. Are you with me? Sitting at a slot machine for free, pulling the handle, and if it comes 777 bar, whatever the slot machine thinks, the things light up like woo, 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 winner, chicken dinner. So the question I have for you is, what if social media posting is the exact same thing? What do you mean, Wick? Meaning, when you post on social media, whether you're promoting a service, you're promoting a product, you're educating, you're entertaining, you're giving advice, you're debunking a myth, you're sharing a fact, a quote of the day, an inspiration, whatever you are posting. All of those posts are like a pull on that slot machine, right? Because one, it's free to post. Yes, you post. And just like the pull of the slot machine, if you were in Las Vegas, would you expect every pull to be a winner? People can be sitting there for hours at the slot machine. And in fact, I saw this video of this one girl who was so involved in a slot machine that she did not want to get up. And she just leaned forward and she started pissing on the chair and just letting it fall down, like whatever crazy stuff you see. Anyways, so social media is the exact same thing. You post, and 20 times it could be crickets. 20 times it could not get traction, but it only takes one time to win, one time to hit that. Maybe a small win, maybe a big win, maybe something that resonates more with your audience. Are you feeling me? Right? And that's one of the most important aspects of how I think of this, and what I want to impress upon you is, if you're at a slot machine and you pull and you don't win, do you go, oh my God, I feel like such a loser? Well, what are people going to think of me? I pulled the slot machine and here I am. Still, bells not ringing, money not raining down upon me, right? Would you feel like a loser? Would you feel intimidated? Would you feel dumb? I would hope, no, I wouldn't. I'd be like, hey, didn't win, pull it again. What? Pull it again. What? Pull it again. What? Pull it again. It's free. You're sitting there. Pull it again. Pull it again. From what we know, at some point, is that machine going to hit, whether it be a little or a lot? I would say yes. That's why people stay there, because the machine is going to hit whenever it's going to hit. And social media is the same thing, right? I feel a lot of times in the past, I overcomplicated social media. Like, what do I post? It needs to be fancy. It needs to be sexy. No, I just need to start posting stuff. I need to have a plan. What's a general plan? I want to post, let's just say 7 times a day. Okay. Is it hard to post 7 times a day? You might be like, oh my God, we're 7 times. Stop it. Stop it with your over-exaggerated drama. No drama for your mama, right? Save that stuff for something else. A post is what? You get a quote, a beauty quote, get a quote from Marilyn Monroe, from Coco Chanel, and you put it on there and just like, boom, copy, paste. find something online, beauty quotes, copy, paste, boom, make your own on Canva, copy, paste, boom, there you go. Right? You do a fact of the day. Did you know your skin regenerates every 28 days? Ooh, you know, that like that. You debunk a myth or you talk about do's or don'ts. A lot of the time people are like, wait, I don't know what to talk about. Yo, quick, easy Wix hacks on what to talk about, what to post. One, Google most common skincare questions asked. There you go. There's other websites called Answer the Public, which is free. You can put in acne and it'll give you a million questions about acne. But one of my most favorite, because you are a bold beauty boss, is look at your own experience. What are you constantly seeing clients doing wrong? What do you wish clients were doing more? What are some simple, easy tips, tricks, hacks that you know that have benefited other clients? What are common questions that people come and ask you again and again and again and again, right? And don't worry about repeating yourself. It doesn't matter. If you look at magazines like Muscle and Fitness, right? And they're talking about weightlifting and they want to increase their biceps. They want to increase their biceps, right? They will have a similar or different article all the time about increasing your bicep, right? About what exercise to do, what not to do, don't do this, or blah, 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 blah. And they talk, and the whole purpose is increasing your bicep. So don't worry if you're repeating yourself, because not everyone's going to see every bit of content. And that's why it's important to pull that lever again and again and again. I feel a lot of times in the past, I've worked with estheticians and they go, well, I'm repeating myself. You know what? That's awfully bold of you to think every one of your friends, every one of your clients looks at every one of your content. That's just not going to happen. Social media stream is like this fat. And you got ads and this and this and their life and this and this and this and this. So don't feel or assume that like, oh my God, I don't want to over bug them. Yo, you can post 7 times a day, 10 times a day, 20 times a day. You know, the more you post, the more the probability, just like slot machines, it's all about probability that one of those posts will resonate better. Right. So when it comes to social media, and just business in general, there's 3 things I believe that we do as business owners. One, we work on, I'm either working on getting clients, I'm working on serving clients, or I'm working on like serving, meaning the service you're providing. And third, I'm working on how to retain those clients, like customer service, sending thank you cards, following up, things of that sort. So I'm either getting clients, working on the clients, and trying to figure out how to keep the clients, right? Like those are the 3 things that in business I feel are some of the most critical. And if you can focus on those 3, you're good. So if your books are not full, right, then start posting, scheduling, and more importantly, it's like, well, I want it to be perfect, dude. No one knows what the frick is perfect in social media. But what you do is you post in the beginning, you post a lot of volume, and you look at what you posted, you look at the comments, the reactions, the hits, or whatever it is, the shares or what have you. And from that point, you gather data. You're like, okay, this one people like more, this one people like less. So what should you do? Post more of what they like, and you less of what they didn't seem to resonate with them, right? And that's all it is. It's trial and error, but it begins with work. It begins with volume. There is no way around it. I truly believe that the answer to most business woes is just work. It's just work. Do it. It doesn't matter if it's right. It doesn't matter if it's wrong, because there is no right or wrong. It's more like, okay, this worked, this didn't work, cool. And in the beginning, it's like, okay, this worked, this didn't work, and you just get better. You just get better. Slowly over time, you get better and better and better. There is no secret. It's just put it out there. So every now and then, if I see someone's only posting maybe 3 times a week, I'm like, I hope you're balling. I hope you're balling out of control. If you're posting 3 times a week and your books are full, Power to you. However, if you are not balling out of control and you're posting 3 times a week, maybe that's a place to start. It's the slot machine. It's the pull. It's free. Pull. Didn't win. Oh, I got something. Someone says, "Oh my God, I didn't know you did that." I'm like, "Yeah, I do. I do this, right?" Pull. Post. Look at Google. Look at your own brains, right? Your brains. People ask you questions. Get ideas from other estheticians in the group. Ask questions in the group. Hey, what did you post that got you a lot of interaction? Right? Follow up with people, etc., etc. Don't make it harder for yourself. It's just work. That's all there is. And there's no way around it. You either work it yourself or you pay somebody to do it for you. And in the beginning, I always recommend you do it yourself because no one knows your business like you know your business. Cool. That is my thought of the day. Hope all is amazing. I just got back from the Philippines. I was gone for another 3 or 4 weeks. I travel a lot. So, life is interesting. Be amazing because it pays so well. So you can travel, do what floats your boat, whatever makes you happy and whatever makes you proud of what you've done. Cool. Be amazing because it pays well. Talk to you soon. Pesos.